Alrighty, guys, we have made our first stop. We're here at Holly Springs racetrack. So we gotta hop back on these things and catch a little bit more wind. But y'all see it here. Look at this long street up there, man. Pure. Let's get it all. Feel me? Just pulled up. Got the whole juicer. Y'all ever come to the south, man? Y'all gotta check my guy out. Y'all see what's going on, man. They got the joints going up there. Good juices and all that. It's real good. I ain't gonna even hold you. We was sliding though. We was sliding. This is the juice. Pretty good. Definitely after that ride, pretty refreshing. I like all the greenery and stuff. I mean, that's all you see out here is greenery. It's pretty dope. Definitely something different. Mississippi, Holly Springs, Mississippi. We had a nice little bike going the opposite way. But yes, sir. Alrighty, man. We just made it back. That thing looks so good. Loving it, how that orange and like burgundy look in the sun. Thing look cold, man. That was a fun ride, man. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. It's 4th of July, man. So we got our ride in. About to put these things up and enjoy our fireworks show, man. You feel me? So y'all like, comment, and subscribe. We're gonna get it going though. Oh, you bitch. Falling. Oh! Oh! Out here.
Why would y'all put it like right there though?
Right, all that street over there. All that street over here. Them niggas want to ride it right here.
Jalen, can y'all move it like across?
Got Cali,
This
man.
must be going crazy.
How's it going, man? Hey, oh no. Going up fireworks style, man. What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. If you guys haven't caught my last video, man, we are still in the South right now. Y'all guys hear the background, man. All the crickets, all the insects, all the freaking nature, everything you can hear is in the background, because on the West Coast we don't get none of this, man. None of this at all. We do have the 59 Impala back here, guys. I'm going to show you guys in a hot sec. I'm going to learn a little thing about Memphis and see some of this history, man. So if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate it, man. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2018 Road King, man, head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Cop you a camo hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway, man. We only got limited hats available. It could be you next, man. It could be you on that Road King. So you seen the sliding yesterday, man. That thing was so fun. I can't wait. We even got the SS in the back, man. So let's see what today holds, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. We'll get right into it now, shall we? Alrighty, guys. We are at the biggest Bass Pro Shops in the world. We are about to go catch some fish at Bass Pro Shops. You guys see it behind me? Yeah, let's go. Wow, we are in the biggest Bass Pro Shops ever. We're gonna catch some fish. Oh, this the hotel too? Alrighty, guys, we have made it inside the biggest freaking Bass Pro Shops in the world. It's like hotel rooms and stuff up there. It's pretty sick. I'm looking for a shark or something in the water, but you know, it's swampy right now, man. It's swampy, dog. So we're gonna see what we can find. Y'all see a shark? Dang, look at that one. Dominique, go jump in.
No, I'm way too scared.
It's fake fish. It's not even real. It's motorized fish. We got one elevator down. We got to take this elevator all The way up to the stops being blue.
I'll call Ted right now.
Tell them, just come to the hills and look up. Go all the way up, for sure. Look this way. Got everybody. See Jalen.
And that's how I do that.
Oh, look at that alligator.
I hope one
You see the alligator?
But they go.
Dang, it's hard.
Dang, we are.
Yeah, man, this thing just free drop. Ooh.
Still making my booty. Hey, it's still good.
Still got a lot to go.
Okay, we just said don't say
They got a whole hotel up in here, dog. Finally made it to the top, dog. This is how you look at Memphis. Now this is dope. We got an aerial view, damn near 360s. Looks amazing. Looks crazy. Let's see. Sheesh. That's crazy. Look dope though. Alrighty guys, we are off the plane, back at the house. Got the bikes here ready to go. It's time to get back to work. Our front end is complete, man. Our wheels, you guys know, if it was like powder coated black, these things would have been on there and done at least like 2 weeks ago. Being that these wheels are like chrome that were getting made, they have to be like perfect. So the chroming process, it took like more than one time, man. So hopefully they should be done, I guess, any day now, man. I'm hoping it's real soon because I'm tired of freaking looking at this bike without no wheels, man. I want to get this thing completed. As for the 2020, we do have a lot of parts here. I haven't checked yet, but I'm sure we got a lot of parts for this thing. So it's time to get this thing at least going good and get all these broken pieces off and at least try to get it on the first ride if possible. So we'll see what's up, man. Then if you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2018 Road King, man, head over to everythingsregular.com right now and grab you a camo hat. That'll be your entry into the giveaway. We do have the whole front end completed, so I'll be heading down to Antonio's this week to pick that up. Hopefully when I pick that up, I'll be able to pick the wheels up and we'll be able to finish this bike off. A lot of you guys were like, where's the Corbin seat? I'm like, bro, it's in the garage. It's still freaking in the building process. Like, chill out, bro. Chill out, fool. Anyways, but yeah, man, we're gonna get it going and we'll get there, dog. Alrighty, guys, we actually did get our camo blue hats in stock, so those will be getting shipped out today and tomorrow. Got our parts here, but we'll focus on that once we get those hats and stuff out of here, man. So let's get it. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today, man. We headed up to Memphis, had a cool 4th of July, man. Was blowing a hole in the sky, man. So I'm excited. I can't wait. Ready to get back to work. I'm here back at home. Got a garage full of bikes and an upstairs full of new parts, man. So I'm gonna go regroup my woo, get this video out for today, come back down here and get it started, man. So if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace. What's up, guys, man? Welcome back to another Everything's Regular video, man. We are back at the crib, back on the West Coast, man. Back in the garage, got everything right here waiting for us, man. We got a whole load of parts upstairs. The rest of the parts are coming in today, man. So before that comes in, I want to get these new hats that we just got in shipped out. So those blue camo hats, if you ordered one, man, be on the lookout for your mailman because those things are going out today. Can't wait to ship those things out. Literally will be there in a couple days, man. So stay tuned for that. Send me a picture of you and your Everything's Regular cap. I want to see what it's looking like, dog. But if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2018 Road King, man, head over to everythingsregular.com right now and copy your camo hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Or you can hit the link below. It'll take you right there. But time to switch these cars around and get our day started, man. So let's get it. We got all the hats packed up, ready to head out. We got Mama back there. Mama say, what up? She back there chilling, man. We got a car full, man. So we heading to the post office right now and getting these hats shipped out. So you guys will have them shortly.